Good morning everyone. So we've come back to Thailand for the second time. It's going to be the second time that we're making videos here. We're here for a week and we're on an island called Koh Chang, right near the Cambodia border. So that's why we decided to visit this place, since we were in Koh Chang back there. This is the resort that we just left. I might show it you a bit better later on. It's called Ban Na and it was $22 I think per night. And right now we're just walking to get breakfast on this main road and we're gonna rent a scooter. So we just rented the scooter. It's gonna be 200 baht per day and we're getting it for 2 days, so 400 overall. All right, let's go. So after a 9-minute ride, roughly 9 minutes, we've come to our first stop, which is going to be a waterfall. I think it's called Klong Plu Waterfall. It's supposed to be the best waterfall here. And it was 200 baht per person to enter. You just got to watch out though if you're on a scooter, because on the road up here there'll be all these people saying that you've got to park before paid parking. And you don't need to pay any paid parking. When you buy the ticket, there's free parking inside. So yeah, don't fall for that scam.
I'm afraid there will be no waterfall.
Yeah, maybe not.
Just the fall, not the water.
Yeah, you can see the river here, it's completely dry. We'll see how it goes. It does look pretty cool here though. Got the rocks. It is still very green for the dry season. So yeah, pretty beautiful place. We have made it, Klong Plu Waterfall. Well, at least we got some water.
Yeah, not that bad.
Yeah, it is shallow, but looks refreshing either way. Look how nice this part looks. Got the little stream flowing through. So back here you have the main fall. Not much water, but yeah, it is actually pretty high. So there's literally some huge fish in here. Not sure what kind of fish that is. It's pretty cool. Cold? They would come down. Yeah. It's nice though.
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Too hot sometimes.
Those fish are biting my feet. Monster fish. Where are they at? they biting?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's skin.
Hey, you went for your necklace.
Okay, I'm going out.
They want your gold. I'm peeling on my back, so pretty much when I went in, all the fish were eating the dead skin off my back. My back turned into a buffet for the fish.
And they wanted my gold.
Yeah, your gold.
It's not even gold, but yeah.
No, they still wanted it.
Gold.
All right, let's head to the beach. We have arrived at the beach. It's actually really close to the waterfall back there. So this is called Koh Chang Beach. Seems like pretty much a deserted beach. Looks pretty amazing. It is kind of hazy right now, so the clarity is not that good. It would probably look a lot nicer on a sunny day. Back here just got some cool huts to stay in as usual. Got some huge palm trees here. Check those out. So from what I read, many people consider this to be the best beach here in Koh Chang. Is that our spot for the day? Yeah. Alright, swing time. Here we go.
It's okay.
Woohoo! Again. Alright, I'm good. Oh. So just like the islands in Cambodia, it is very shallow, so you can just keep walking and walking really far out. Give you a better view of how big it looks with the cool huge trees. Kind of different to any other beaches we've been to recently. And you can probably still see in the haze, there's loads of different islands out there. So some of them you can do day trips, and some of these you can even stay on. So yeah, there's loads of options around here. Nice temperature, just like Cambodia.
Yeah.
It's the same. It's the same sea, right?
Yeah. Thailand.
Gulf of Thailand. Yeah. So Koh Chang had actually been on our radar for a while. Last time we were in Thailand, we didn't quite make it because we were in the south of Thailand. The islands we went to were like Koh Phangan, Koh Samui and Koh Tao. We're going to be going to some others as well, so yeah, it should be cool. Just need this haze to pass now, and it'll become an amazing blue color everywhere. We ended up just going on a little walk on the beach. There's quite a nice part with a river back there. And we're going to be heading further down south of the island now. We're going to head to another beach called Lonely Beach. Supposed to be a nice one, so that's probably where we'll end the day. And check this place out now. The tide's completely gone away. So before there was just a tiny strip of beach here, and now a huge area. I didn't show you the scooter that we got before either. Seems to be a different kind of model. I'm not sure if that's like some Thailand scooter or something. Never seen one like that before. I'm used to getting ones like this. Yeah, I'm not sure what brand that is. So we've just arrived at Lonely Beach here. Really awesome beach. Actually, someone on Instagram told us to come here, so yeah, we took that person's advice. It's another pretty big beach. Weather's opened up a bit now. Should be sunset in a few hours time. This one is a lot more popular though, less deserted. Got some pretty fancy resorts there. Not sure what resort that is. Although I can see some huts up there in the distance. Carol's already gone for a swim. And we just got this beach towel here. So this is 150 baht. Pretty hippie looking one. We lost ours in Pagan in Myanmar. Looks pretty cool. So calm.
I think this beach is nicer than the other one.
Yeah, it is nicer, right?
There's a cliff here.
Yeah, I think it's nicer too. You have the more mountainous landscapes. Yeah, really beautiful beach. I was just saying, somebody told us about it on Instagram.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, sometimes people give us tips.
Yeah.
Like, go there or do that. And yeah, we usually follow the
Thank
tips.
you.
Thank you.
Man, this is relaxing. So I think I got some pretty awesome drone shots of the beach here. I think beaches are probably my favorite thing to film with a drone. Probably because they're my favorite thing when I'm traveling beach places. And this island's pretty interesting. It's different to the other ones that I went in Thailand. It looks like more of a forest landscape, not not so many palm trees. There are still palm trees, but it's more like normal trees. And the other islands that I went to so far in the south, I think it was more like the tropical palm trees and stuff. And I can see here loads of people are like doing kayaking and stand-up paddle during the sunset. We did that once and it was amazing in India, so maybe over the next few days we might get the kayak out and enjoy the sunset too. Still got some time until the sun goes down. It's already a pretty nice color on the ocean though. Good spot, right?
Yes.
So the sunset looked promising, but it died on us, just went away in the haze somewhere. The next video I think is going to be from another island called Koh Chang. Really looking forward to visiting that place. It's supposed to be kind of like a deserted island, not as developed as here and less popular, so yeah, that should be cool. So as always, just thanks for watching. Follow us on Instagram if you like to see where we're traveling in real time. Drop a like on this video and subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.